Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope everyone is doing okay. Welcome back. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. And to all my subscribers that have been coming back again, I appreciate every one of you. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for your love. In today's video, it's gonna be like it's a vlog, but I decided to show the part where we are eating. Please come and eat with us, eat dinner with us. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you guys for your love, for your support. I appreciate every one of you. I'm so tired. It's been a long day.
A smushed fry.
Okay, let's break it.
Wait,
Put it down. Okay, put that part off.
Okay. Okay.
You pray.
Why me? Okay. I'm putting this on physical. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food you gave us today. Thankful and eat this wonderful food that my mom gave us. Please be that we will enjoy it and be healthy. And I say this in Jesus Christ, amen.
I'm gonna fill this up for Daddy.
The rest for Dad?
No.
Oh.
Oh, good. Listen, this is chicken mukbang. Hey guys, welcome.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And we're back with another mukbang. As you can, sorry. As you can see, the other video we did a mukbang with me and my mom. A Nigerian mukbang. Rice, dodo, beans, and that's it. That was good. Now there's another mukbang of chickens. This.
They're still in the capital. Are you feeling? Good. Is your body still hot?
Cold.
Oh, it's so funny. Just a moment. I like to cook soup today. When I came back, I was so like, I've already meat everything. I just, you know what, I wasn't in the mood anymore because you know what, why? My YouTube, when I do the video I uploaded today, You sure you can finish it? What are you doing? I'm done. You guys have got back for work. Can you go on the end of the video? Okay guys, I am done. Are you done?
I told you you cannot finish it. You ate 2. Exactly, I'm telling you that you can't finish it. And you're not even.
Okay, let's say bye to our friends. Okay guys, I think we've come to the end of this vlog, okay? Come to the end of this vlog. I'm just gonna end it. Let's say bye to your friends, our friends.
Bye.
Bye guys, see you guys on the next one. Please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share our video guys. Share. We are shareable. Share us, okay? Any way you want to share us. come to the end of this video, okay? What we're gonna do now, we're gonna take you upstairs to go take your shower. Okay, say bye to everybody.
Bye everybody. See you next time.
Bye,
Hope
guys.
you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to leave a comment on the video.
Bye.
Bye.
See you on the next one. We are tired. We've eaten. We're full. Nah. Oh my goodness. Bye, guys.